Welcome today in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new home screen folder on our tablet screen. Just if you want, we can add here more application by the same way, more applications. We can also give a name to this app, for example the apps, and just click to OK, and now we can see that we just renamed successfully this folder. Also we can move this folder between the screens. Just hold it and then drag it, for example to the new screen if you want, or just between this regular just previously created screens. And if you want to just remove the folder, the application from the folder, hold it and drag it here till the screen back. If you want to stay with these apps on the home screen, but also you can just remove not only from the folder, also if you want to remove it from the home screen, so drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.